Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where you get real, reliable insights on trending products. Today, we're spotlighting what might just be the best holiday mantel decorations you can grab this season. The SYNCVIBE 4th of July Patriotic Tiered Tray Decor Set. It's festive, it's fun, and it's the ultimate touch of Americana you didn't know your home needed. Let's dive right in. This 8-piece decor set is designed to turn any tiered tray, shelf, table, or mantel into a festive focal point. SYNCVIBE has created a charming blend of red, white, and blue elements that feel both nostalgic and fresh. The pieces include iconic symbols like USA, lettering, stars, fireworks, and flag-inspired patterns. Each one fits beautifully on standard-sized trays or shelves, but they're versatile enough to be used as standalone tabletop decor or combined for a cohesive display. Now, what makes this set truly stand out is the material quality. These aren't flimsy or easily breakable. They're made of durable, polished wood with clean cuts, smooth edges, and vibrant printing. The finish is splinter-free, which means you won't have to worry about handling or placing them around kids or guests. They're light enough to rearrange easily, yet sturdy enough to stay upright without extra support. That's a big plus when decorating high-traffic areas like entry tables or kitchen counters. And here's where this set becomes a year-round asset. While they're marketed for Independence Day, they also make perfect decor for Memorial Day, Veterans Day, or even everyday Americana-themed spaces. Think home office shelf, coffee bar corner, or a rustic reading nook with a patriotic touch. They blend seamlessly into farmhouse, traditional, or even modern decor styles. Let's not forget gifting. If you're looking for a thoughtful, festive housewarming gift or something to bring to a 4th of July party host, this is a fantastic option. It's eye-catching, practical, and packed with charm. It's one of those gifts that looks like you put in a lot more effort than you actually did, thanks to the cohesive design and quality finish. What about size? Each item in the set fits comfortably within a display zone of about 4.5 by 7 inches, so it won't overpower smaller spaces, but still pops visually. You can spread them out across your home or keep them all together for a high-impact display. And let's be real, once you get compliments from guests, you'll want to find excuses to keep them up long after the holidays are over. So, who is this set for? It's for the proud patriot who loves to decorate. It's for the seasonal host who wants a statement piece without going overboard. It's for anyone who enjoys quick, easy upgrades to their space that don't involve tools or complicated setup. And it's definitely for people who love showing off their holiday spirit with a bit of flair. If you're looking to add some all-American charm to your space or give someone a gift that stands out in a sea of candles and wine bottles, the SYNCVIBE Patriotic Tiered Tray Decor Set delivers. It's festive, functional, and full of personality. And that's why it earns the Product Critique seal of approval. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review that helps you buy smarter. See you in the next video.